You don't have to run after anything. You just have to have patience, do your work, and the work will run after you. This is the only mantra which I have in my life, that is patience. Keep on doing your work. The work will follow, success will follow. Bharat is the biggest market in itself, which people don't understand, and they try to go to the Western countries for the market, but this is the actually market. And this is the best market in the world.
Hi, I'm Anubhav from Bharat 2.0 Conclave, an initiative by Business Viewpoint and Enterprise World Magazine. Today on the red carpet, I have here with me Mr. Hira Bulani from Movie Dom.
Yes.
Hi, sir. A very warm welcome.
Thank you so much. I am the founder and CEO of Movidom. It's headquartered at Dubai, but it is based out of Mumbai. And we have an outfit at BVI also.
Excellent. My first question for you is, how do you think, what does Bharat 2.0 represent to you as a leader, and why do you think it matters today?
See, Bharat 2.0, I have visited for the first time. I was not able to come to the first session, first season. But I think they have a very good narrative, and they have built up, the execution is too good, the storytelling is too very nice. And these type of shows should be there in India.
Excellent. What do you think is the toughest lesson that you have learned throughout your business journey?
The toughest lesson is the easiest one actually. You need to have patience, that's all. You don't have to run after anything. You just have to have patience, do your work, and the work will run after you.
Excellent. And how do you think, sir, that this lesson has shaped your leadership journey?
It has almost, now I'm 60 and I see where I have started and where I have reached. So this is the only mantra which I have in my life, that is patience. Keep on doing your work. The work will follow, success will follow.
Excellent. What is that one opportunity in Bharat that people are still underestimating?
Bharat is the biggest market in itself, which people don't understand, and they try to go to the Western countries for the market, but this is the actually market, and this is the best market in the world.
Excellent. Why do you think people are still overlooking this opportunity?
Overlooking the opportunity because the thing is, always we are lured by what is happening in the neighborhood. We never see inside and what is happening here.
Right. Amazing. What are your predictions that you have for Bharat, let's say in the next 5 to 10 years?
Excellent, it is good. And the way it is growing, I think we will be top 3 economies in the world very soon.
Amazing. Now moving on to the next answer, which is a rapid fire questions.
Yeah.
What is that one overrated and underrated leadership quality?
Overrated and underrated, again I will say patience. People don't have patience. That is underrated. And overrated is people, they try to run fast and they usually fall because of running fast.
Yeah, that was a great answer. Which is your one go-to movie or web series that you love to watch in your free time?
I am a movie man. I'm a movie buff from last 40 years. But my best movie is actually Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro.
Wow, that's a great choice, sir. One leader you'd love to have coffee with?
One and only Elon Musk. Nobody else.
Amazing. One reason leaders should attend Bharat 2.0 Conclave?
This is a very great networking opportunity. Actually, if you come here, you meet who's who, and you have so many narratives, so many stories here, so many founders here, they are telling their own thing. And when you mingle with them, you learn a lot.
Amazing. And lastly, sir, what is that one piece of advice that you'd like to give young leaders and young entrepreneurs?
Do your best. Don't think of the result. Failure is the stepping stone of success.
That's a great advice, sir. Thank you so much for your time. It was
Thanks.
great.